But one of the other reasons why I wanted to make sure to change the shower head is because, I have an older child with autism, and many times he likes to have the water go in his mouth, right? And so if the water is contaminated, right, and with different types of like heavy metals or chlorine or whatnot, I don't want him drinking that. I don't want that going in his body. And so that was another reason why this was a really important thing that I needed to do, not just for cosmetics, right? But also thinking about all the different ways that we want to address health and health related issues. So I hope this was